Good afternoon all. So today we'll study the third part from the unit number 1, which is a flowchart. Flowcharts are nothing but these are the pictorial representation of the algorithm, or you can say it as a graphical representation of the process. So whatever the instructions which are given in the algorithm, you need to um, display those instructions in a graphical format in case of flowchart. And in flowchart, the symbols we have to use. First symbol is the oval symbol. This symbol is used for the start and the end process. So to represent the start and the end of flowchart, you will require this oval symbol. After that, the second symbol is the parallelogram. Parallelogram, it is mainly used for input and the output operation. If you are taking any input from the user side, then at that time you will require this parallelogram. If you are displaying the information to the user, if you are displaying the output to the user, for that purpose also you will require this parallelogram. Then the third symbol is the rectangle. Rectangle, it is mainly used for arithmetic operations and the data manipulations. So if you are performing any process, for that purpose you will require this rectangle. Then the diamond, this symbol is mainly used to represent the decisions. Like if you are using the if statement here, for decision making you will require this diamond. This symbol will be used. Next one is arrows. Arrows are mainly used for connection of these symbols. All the symbols will be connected. All the steps will be connected to each other by using these arrows. And the next one is circle. So if your flowchart is given on 2 or 3 pages, then to connect these 3 pages, 2 or 3 pages, you will require this circle. So that's why it is called as a page connector. We'll study this flowchart by using some examples. So your first example is we need to find out the sum of two numbers. To find out the sum of two numbers, algorithm is given this one. First step is a start. After that we are taking the input from the user side. First number will be taken from the user side. Second number will be taken from the user side. After that we are going to perform the addition of these two numbers, then display this number, and the last one is stop. Now we are going to convert this algorithm into the flowchart. So the first step is start. So for start you will require oval symbol, then the input first number. So you are taking the input here. So for input you will require the parallelogram. So input value of A will be taken from the user side. After that the second one is a second number you are taking from the user side. So it is again input. So for input you are using parallelogram here. Then we are going to perform the process here. Sum is equal to A plus B. As it is a process, we have used the rectangle here. And after that we are going to display the sum. So to display the sum means you are displaying the output here. So for output again you will require parallelogram, and then the last step is a stop, and all of these steps are connected by using the arrows. We'll see the another example here to find out the area and the perimeter of a square. To find out the area and perimeter of a square, algorithm is start. After that we are taking the length of the square from the user side. Then we are going to find out the area by using length square, perimeter 4 into the length, and then we are going to display the area and the perimeter of that circle, and the stop. This one is the algorithm for this problem statement. After that we are going to convert this algorithm into the flowchart. So first step is a start. For the start you will require the oval. Then the next you are taking the input from the user side. So parallelogram will be used. You are taking length from the user side. Then we need to calculate the area. As we are going to calculate the area, it is a process. So for process, rectangle will be used. Perimeter, we are going to calculate the perimeter. Again the rectangle will be used here as it is a process. And after that we are going to display the area and the perimeter of square. We are going to display the area and the perimeter, means we are displaying the output here. So for the output again parallelogram will be used, and the last step is a stop. So for the stop, oval will be used here. Thank you.